What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude. This Wednesday, NVIDIA share prices lost approximately 1.6% of its value, but it is not even remotely close to its Tuesday performance, when it lost 9.5%, almost tenth of its market capitalization, estimated to be losing at $279 billion in a single day. This is the biggest decline in dollar value in the entire history of the US stock market. Just think about it. More than $250 billion were erased from a single company in a single day. And in today's short video, let me give you just a couple of reasons why this happened and what can be the potential future for NVIDIA looking like. Right, so according to the market participants, one of the biggest reasons why this has happened is that NVIDIA's top management were subpoenaed by the US Department of Justice in regards to their anti-monopoly investigation. Basically, what they are trying to say with this, obviously there are no decisions yet, it is just a subpoena, is that they're pretty much investigating whether NVIDIA took a much bigger share of the market than it's supposed to, which is against the business practices in the United States. Long story short, in case this court activity is successful, NVIDIA will be most likely forced to scale down on its operations and allow more of its competitors to take a part of this market, obviously significantly impacting NVIDIA's revenue and the bottom line. This alone was pretty obvious why it impacted the share price of NVIDIA so much, but apparently there are a couple more reasons. The reason number 2 is that the hype around the artificial intelligence industry is also now slowing down, also significantly. A lot of companies, they started presenting their financial reports, which previously were claiming that now guys, we started to employ the artificial intelligence in our day-to-day business activities, now we're cutting costs so much, now we're becoming so much more effective, and well, obviously market participants, investors, they were expecting this to be reflected in the earnings reports that will be released in the future, and well, the future is now. The earnings reports showed no significant decrease or an increase in the upper or the bottom line of the companies, which basically means that the artificial intelligence, while still might be employed by these very companies, it might not, at least yet, provide significant business opportunities to the very same companies. Long story short, maybe it is a little bit too early to overprice AI technology as it is right now. The reason number 3 why the NVIDIA share prices decreased so much is the weakening economic data. For example, the most recent JOLTS job opening report, the expectations were at 8.09 million, and the information, the data came at 7.67 million new job openings, which is 400,000 fewer job positions than even anticipated, according to the most conservative estimations. Well, as you can see, the creation of new jobs started to slow down, maybe even way faster than even the Federal Reserve anticipated previously. So as you can see, the combination of these 3 factors, first of all the subpoena from the Department of Justice, the decrease in hype of artificial intelligence, and finally the slowing down in economic data, in economic activity of the US, well, it obviously impacted these NVIDIA shares, because NVIDIA was one of the most overbought company, with the market capitalization being one of the biggest companies in America. So yes, NVIDIA is a great company with innovative and breakthrough technology, but yes, maybe investors a little bit overestimated the possibilities, the capabilities of the management, and now they're pretty much being brought back down to the reality, which is obviously reflected in the share price of NVIDIA itself. And as always guys, thanks so much for watching. If this was interesting and informative for both, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow.